Hey guys, it's Miss Wilson. Guess what? I believe in you. Look, today we're going to go over just some triangle basics. Just the things that you need to know about triangles. And pretty much you need to never forget them. Okay? And you may say, well, Miss Wilson, why do I need to know this stuff about triangles? If no other reason, if you're trying to go to college, if you're trying to get into the armed forces, you're going to see things like this on some of those tests. Okay? You don't have to get all the problems right, but you do need to be very acquainted with things like triangles. Okay? So, let's get started. You're going to do just fine. Again, it's just triangle basics. So, you need to know that a triangle is a three-sided polygon. It's made of 3 line segments and 3 angles. This is the symbol for a line segment. That's the symbol for an angle. You need to know that all triangles are classified in 2 different ways. They're classified by the measure of the angle or by the length of the sides. I will go into detail what that is on another video, but just know that triangles are classified in 2 different ways. You also need to know that the sum of every triangle is 180 degrees. That means on the inside of every triangle, it can only total up to 180 degrees. Never forget that. It may be an answer like that on a test. Just knowing that a triangle can never be more than 180 degrees on the inside could get you the right answer. Okay? These are formulas that you need to know for a triangle. Perimeter, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 equals 180 degrees. You need to know how to get the area of a triangle. 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. That's the same formula written in 2 different ways. You need to know the Pythagorean theorem. But Pythagorean theorem only applies to right triangles, okay? So don't be trying to do Pythagorean theorem on an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle. No, only on right triangles, okay? Then you need to know how to find the formula for a pyramid. V equals 1/3 length times width times height, or length times width times height divided by 3. Again, it's the same. It's the same formula, just written in 2 different ways. The way we would read this triangle, the way it would be said is this is triangle XYZ. And you need to know, for some reason, I don't know why when you name a triangle, you call out the angles in counterclockwise, okay? So this is triangle XYZ. This is how it's written, triangle XYZ. The angles, we have angle X, we have angle Y, we have angle Z. We have sides XY, XZ, and YZ. Okay? You need to know those things about triangles. Oh, this is the midpoint, or act like that. I can kind of see that this line is not perfectly in the middle, but that's okay. But act like it's in the middle. This is what we would call the midpoint. This line right here that I'm drawing from the midpoint to this vertex will be called the median. Okay? Oh yeah, and you need to know that every corner is really called a vertex. But if you don't remember the word vertex, or plural form vertex, just know it's the corner. But you need to know that a corner is called a vertex. Okay? These are just some simple triangle basics that will help you on your test. Yes, you need to know these things. You plan on going to college. You plan on taking some type of military test. Okay? You need to know these. And sometimes if you're just trying to get a job or something, you need to know these things. Watching a simple video like this will help you. Don't be afraid. I believe in you and I want you to believe in yourself. You have a great day.